Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, community, depending on when you see this video and when you see it. Today I want to do face cleansing for dark spots. If you know that you are having dark spots, please gather. In my last video I did a face soap for pimple and dark spots. So you suppose when you use the soap to wash your face, you're supposed to use this cleansing to also clean your face when you come out. So we want to do face cleansing. First, in my list, I want to measure out our Xantha gum. And the purpose of the Xantha gum is for the cleansing to be, depending on how thick you want it to be. If you want it to be that thick, for me, I don't want my hair to be that thick, so I'll just use 10 grams. I just need it a little bit watery. So I'll measure out my Xantha gum. 10 grams of Xantha gum. I have my Xantha gum measured. Xantha gum, you will not, I have my distilled water here. I have my distilled water, 40 grams of, 40 ml of distilled water, depending on how much you want it to be. Although I want this to be much, but I find out that my distilled water has finished. So this is our Xantha gum. What we will use to dissolve it is green saline. Please don't use ordinary water to dissolve Xantha gum. It will not dissolve, or use your green saline to dissolve, or you use double boiling. But if you use double boiling, it will take time. So the fastest way is to use your green saline to dissolve it. So I need 16 grams of green saline. Now we are going to add our distilled water inside and continue mixing. You see? But if I put it inside this thing, it will not mix. You see, it has thickened up. So I still need water to loosen it. This is the work of the Xantha gum. It will just make your distilled water to be a little bit thick, not watching. So the next ingredient we are going to add is our vitamin B. Please, I will normally say you are free to Google everything I'm using to do this. You are very, very free. So we put 2 grams of our vitamin B3. Just 2 grams is okay. So the next ingredient we will put is alpha apatic. The next ingredient you put is salicylic powder. You just put 2 grams of it. And you feel free to Google all this. At this point, if you have aloe vera or cucumber gel, you put. But me, I don't have, I forgot. So maybe tomorrow I will buy and add it. Then the next this thing I will put is my vitamin C. Just add your vitamin C. Add your vitamin E. Then put any of your essential oil. If you have lavender, I'm using tea tree oil. Then put your preservative, just a drop. I will write the description when I'm posting it, so that you can follow the steps, follow it step by step. So make sure you give it a very good mix. Your face cream for dark spots is ready. Give it a very good mix, then transfer it inside your container. After bathing in the morning, after you use your face soap to bathe, just pour it inside your hand. Use it to massage your face with hand. After massaging, you can wash it off, or you look for a towel and clean it off. I will do experiments how you'll be using it. morning and night. Give it 2 weeks. Your dark spots will fade away. So this is our dark spot cleanser. So tell me in the comment section, will you be trying this? Bye. I love you all. Sharon. Cleanser. After using your pimple and the dark spots soap to wash your face, just put your cleanser in your hand like this. Then use the other hand. You can start massaging your face. Give your face a massage for like 2 or 3 minutes. Your neck also, because your neck is part of your face. Back of your ear. Just give it a massage for like 2 or 3 minutes. After that, use your hanky or tissue paper and wipe it off. After wiping it off, if you have a toner, I will still do a video on how you can make your dark spots toner. If you have a toner or any moisturizing cream, then apply it on your face and rub it. Leave your face like that. Love you all.